Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you how to send money on Venmo. Alright, and there are two ways to do that. So we're going to look at the two ways to send money on Venmo, and the first way is using the Venmo app. Alright, quickly getting into it, all you have to do is first to open the app, and then of course you have to log in. And once you get in, you tap the pay button. Alright, you gotta locate the pay button where it is and tap pay, and then you enter the recipient's information. So of course you need the username, the phone number, and the email address. Or if you already have them on your friend list, you can just check them out there. And then of course enter the amount you want to send to them, probably $50, $100, $1,000, whatever. You can add a note if you want, but that's pretty much optional. You don't really have to do that, but if you want to do it, there's the option for it. You can choose the payment method, so that's if you want to use your Venmo balance, your debit card, or your bank account. And of course review that information to make sure everything is as it should be. And once you're done with that, you can confirm the transaction, and boom, the money is done. All right, now the second option is to use the Venmo website. Alright, similar but slightly different. So first you have to log into your Venmo account. Go to the Venmo website, log into your account, and then click the pay button. Of course, same step, and you enter the recipient's information. Same thing, their name, username, phone number, email address, and of course next step, the amount. So same as before. And you can also add a note here in case probably you want to be specific about what you're sending them the money for. You can just leave that on a note, and then you have to choose the payment option, same as the last step. Choose the payment option, and then review, make sure every information is correct, and go ahead and confirm that, and that's it. So of course it goes without saying, you got to make sure you got enough money on your Venmo accounts and stuff before you can send, but that's it. That's how they send money on Venmo. So whichever way you want to use, the website or the app, you're free to do that. So I hope this video was useful, and catch you guys in the next one.